So here's our project, Verbalyst, Empowering Speech, Unleashing Confidence. And here's a first glance. Now, I'm sure you're all aware that challenges will inevitably arise, and we must confront them head on. But it's not just reacting to these challenges, it's also about embracing them as opportunities for growth and improvement. And as you can see, it's recording.
I'm sure you're all aware that challenges will inevitably arise. And
now that you've seen that it can record and play back our videos, we can have a look at what the AI has done. We've used Google Vertex AI. And basically, what should happen is that it will populate what I just said into this right here, and then the AI responds and tells me how many times I stuttered, so it counts the number of uhs, ums, and ers. And there are also some graphs that come up, as you can see. Now let's have a look at the code. So firstly, we have these buttons which start and stop recording. Stop recording here, and start recording here, as well as upload file. And then if you scroll down towards the script, this allows the user to record. And this is like a live stream, and that's like a recording. And then after you're downloaded or just have pressed stop recording, the code then sends that recording to the transcribe.py, and then this sends it to the AI or the main.py. And then you're going to notice that the response HTML is equal to the AI response and the transcription itself, and that basically calls the AI.py. And as you can see, we're using Google Vertex, and this responds with the response that the AI has. And if you'd like to see, and it's all worked with on separately, but when we used Flask together, we had some issues. But here's how it looked like when we were using Vertex AI. As you can see, it counted the number of times we started. So everything on its own works perfectly fine. It's just that we need a little bit more time to put it all together. Thank you for watching.